In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to package a Copilot Studio agent into a Power Platform solution so you can easily move it between environments. To get started, sign into the Power Apps Maker portal at make.powerapps.com. Once you're in, take a moment to confirm that you're working in the correct environment, especially the one where your Copilot Studio agent currently lives. This is important because solutions and agents are tied to specific environments, and choosing the wrong one can cause confusion later. After that, go to the navigation menu on the left side of the screen and select Solutions. This area is where you organize and package components like apps, flows, and in this case, your Copilot Studio agent so they can be moved cleanly from one environment to another. At the top of the Solutions page, click New Solution. You'll be asked to enter a display name, choose a publisher, and then create the solution. The display name should be something clear and easy to recognize, especially if you plan to manage multiple solutions later. After entering the required details, click Create. Once the solution has been created, open it from the list. Inside the solution, go to the top of the screen and click Add Existing. This lets you bring components that already exist in the environment into the solution package you're building. From the drop-down menu, choose Chatbot, then select the Copilot Studio agent you want to package and click Add. This step places your agent inside the solution so it can be exported and transported to another environment as part of a proper deployment package. When the agent has been added, select Export Solution from the top bar. If the system detects any unpublished changes, go ahead and publish them before continuing. Publishing ensures the latest version of your work is included in the exported package. After that, click Next. You'll then choose whether to export the solution as managed or unmanaged. In general, managed solutions are commonly used for production deployments, while unmanaged solutions are more suitable for ongoing development and editing. Pick the option that fits your scenario, then click Export. When the export finishes, download the generated zip file to your computer. That file is your packaged Power Platform solution, and it contains your Copilot Studio agent ready for deployment. At this point, your Copilot Studio agent has been successfully packaged into a solution and is ready to be moved into other environments whenever needed.